Hi and welcome back to another AnyRPG Development Livestream. In these videos I livestream the development of the AnyRPG Engine, a 100% free and open source role-playing game engine designed in Unity and written in C#. These videos are unscripted and give you a chance to take a behind-the-scenes look at the unfiltered, methodical side of software development. For more information on AnyRPG, be sure to check out AnyRPG.org, where you can find documentation on the engine, links to the full source code at the official GitHub repository, and downloadable versions of AnyRPG Alpha, a free game designed to showcase the features of the AnyRPG engine. If you'd like to see more of this type of content in the future, be sure to like the videos, subscribe to the Cohesion YouTube channel, or just leave a message in the comments telling me what you'd like to see. In today's episode, we will be continuing the cleanup in our package and getting it ready for export so that we can post it on the asset store. And what we've got to do basically is just clean up the animations. There were some issues I noticed last time I was playing, and I'll show you one of them here. So if we go play and load game and then grab our player here, and then if we run over, find some enemies, and then, I don't know, cast a spell. I don't think I'm standing close enough. There we go. Get somebody to come over to us. There. And now our character sinks to the ground. So let's see if we can figure out what's happening there. So if we go to the default UMA player unit clone, which is our player unit, then we want to look at his animator, and he's in the in combat idle right now, and for whatever reason in combat idle is set to none. So let's pop out of the game, and then we can look at that, and we just see none. Okay, so we have AnyRPG. Let's see, where's our combat idle? I don't see it. Maybe that's because we have to like pull it directly out of wherever it is. So if we search this way, and I'm still not seeing it. Okay. Let's go to the directory where it's found. It's in the animations. You know what? Actually, we have in combat idle or out of combat idle. And if we look at that blend tree, oh no, that's idle neutral. Okay, never mind. Right. So anyway, it's in the huge mocap library here. And if I search the mocap animations directory for any RPG idle in mocap okay. Let's see. If I just search for any RPG, what do I get? That's odd. I don't see them. And I know they were in there because I found we had a nice idle loop in there. Okay. Well, we can start, I guess, by searching through the punch and kick animations. Because I know wow, that's so weird. We had a nice, like, 1 second combat idle loop. In fact, we had two of them. AnyRPG left reverse punch. I think it was in one of the boxing ones. Definitely. Okay, not in there. If we search for boxing, let's see, 14 had some boxing in it. What if I just search for idle? Like, I feel like our animation just went up and disappeared on us. That's what I feel like here, because I know that I went through and made 2 combat idle loops. And now they are nowhere to be found. That is so weird. Where did they disappear to? Okay. One of them was definitely called idle 2. Okay. Wow, I don't know what to do. I've never had animations just like disappear like that before. Like that would explain why he's going into the ground there, definitely, because there's nothing there. I know we put something there. What if we go into this blend tree right here? We should have in our blend tree a center position and missing. I feel like if we go into unused external content, like I feel like when we moved the huge mocap directory that it like lost or deleted some of the animations on us. Well, maybe I need to try like re-importing. Wow, maybe like re-importing those packages or something. Because like it looks like the idle animation we created is literally missing, because it should be this center one right here, this combat idle. This is missing. I wonder, unfortunately there's no way like, I don't think I can find like what the reference to that is. Maybe let's go look through the text file and try to find out where that came from. So let's see, we've got our animator, which is right here, and I want to show that in Explorer, and then I want to edit it. Oh man, I don't think this actually tells us the file IDs. Let's see, I haven't looked through these things to see if we can find blend trees. Okay, well that's not bad. There's a blend tree on line 517. Yeah, but unfortunately, yeah, it just gives us a file ID. Okay, well, that's not much use, I suppose, unless you know how Unity stores its file IDs. So, yeah, okay, like this file, I guess, doesn't contain any references to them. So that's a little bit of a bust. I honestly think actually at this point the best thing to do is just going to be to try to re-import it. Because based on the file hashes, it should tell me which ones are missing. So if we look for the huge mocap library, there we go. Let's try importing it and see what happens. This is a big thing, 2 gigabytes, so it's going to take a little while. Okay. So basically, like it recognizes that all these exist, and it's telling us that they're there in part of the package, based like on their hashes, I think. Um, yeah, okay. That's the demo, not the mocap animations. Okay. Wow, no, that's really useless. So basically, it doesn't recognize any of them. And, hmm. Or maybe not. Maybe those are. Wow. Yeah, no, it doesn't. It doesn't recognize any of them. Unfortunately, wow, that sucks. Usually, like even if you rename a file and you try an import in Unity, um, even if you rename it, usually it'll still find the file. Like it'll just point to wherever it is in the import list here, somewhere inside of your directory folder. Uh, but in this case, like it's not doing that for any of those. So basically, it doesn't recognize that we have anything in this package. And let's see. I'll try the second one here. Okay, and it recognizes the ones that we used. Interestingly enough, it wants to re-import them. But, hmm, it also wants to re-import everything. Okay, well, that's no good. Wow. I think, like, at this point, I don't know how I'm supposed to figure out what animation Unity has deleted on me, or like when, or even why, or whatever reason it deleted it, because I definitely never told it to. All I did is just move this directory from like one directory to another. Um, let's see, so barks. Interesting. We've got errors on that one. Is it like just that, or is it all of them? Open rig tab for more details. Not enough bones to create a human avatar. Okay, that's interesting. Um, hmm. I don't know what happened there. Like I have a feeling that how do I get out of here? Done. So basically these two right here, something happened to them, I think. I don't know what. Maybe like Unity corrupted them when it copied them. But I have a feeling that's what's happening, because everything else imported fine except for this one. Another one of the boxing ones. Is there like a properties here? I'm trying to figure out if I can see the full file path here, because that right there is not useful, because like depending on how long the file name is, I gotta expand this the entire size. Okay, you know what? Actually, what happens if I click X? Nothing. Okay. Okay, well, anyway, that's probably the issue. So that's actually a little better, because now, I mean, that kind of means that I know which ones I need to re-import. So 1504, 1505, and 1512, I guess. And I think I might even like go back on my development live streams list and see. And see if I can find a video where I actually create those fighting animations. Okay, anyway, in the meantime, 1504, 1505, 15, yeah. We want 1504, 1505, and 1512. Just those three. Okay, and let's see, do we have them now? So let's see, 1504. Wow, okay, yep, that works. So for whatever reason, when I moved those things, Unity just decided it was going to corrupt them on me and destroy all my work there. So I'm trying to go back right now on the other screen and look for the live stream where I actually make those animations originally, because I just want to see the time codes that I used on them. So let's see. It might be in Livestream 17. Right, can I actually just click on that to view it instead? Right, okay, there we go. And I don't know if I can I view this in different page? No, okay, well, anyway, I guess I gotta go view that some other way. YouTube.com, my channel. And just go to development live streams, go down to number 17. Okay, that's a little better. Let's see, can I get the preview down here? Okay. So this is 86. I don't know where I made the boxing ones here. Is that sword play there? Ah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, found it. All right, so this is what we're interested in right here. This little bit where I'm making the boxing animations. So somewhere in here, there's like an idle animation that I make, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect. 4197 to 4218. Those are the frames that I was using. So on 1504, 4197 to 4218. Oh, wait a minute. I've got another combat idle here as well. Just go forward for a second, just see. Okay, so I have two combat idles in there. And I think that's it for that particular one. Yeah, okay. So let's see, just need to get those frames again. Oh, there we go. Okay. Perfect. So 1504, we need that. Wow, I'm glad I recorded that because, like, how else do you recover when Unity goes and decides to corrupt your animations for you? Especially like when the project is like 40 gigabytes. Even if you take a backup every day, it's like if you don't notice something like this for a little while after it happens, you know, you'll probably have made a whole pile of backups by then and overwritten like any copy that actually had these animations in it. So, okay, we're going to move those into directory 15 up here. Then we're going to go into directory 15 and then into 1504, which is not corrupted anymore. You know what I wonder? Like, is it possible? Is there some way that I could is there some way that I could like just copy the rig over and get my animations back? I guess like there's no right click on rig and copy or anything. So I think maybe I'm just like gonna have to make them manually again. So going back to our video, we want AnyRPG example combat idle. And that one is going to go from 3831 to 3875. We're going to loop time and pose, bake these guys in, hit apply. And let's see. Yeah, okay, cool. And then the other one will go there. Combat idle 2. $41.97 to $42.18. Loop time, loop pose. Okay, and let's take a look at that one. Yeah, okay, perfect. So let's copy that file name, delete the corrupted version, go back to 1504, change, oh no, no, what? What the heck? Wow, Unity, what the heck do you think you're doing? It just deleted all the animations again. Okay. So what happens if I shorten the file name? Ha! Ha! Oh man, okay, so like I wish I didn't delete the original one because apparently, okay, if that's all I have to do to fix this, is that it? Does it work for all of them? Oh no. Okay. Maybe I just didn't have anything in those other ones. Wow, this video is totally getting tagged with Unityism. I'm actually, honestly, this video, I'm gonna fix this and I'm gonna label it like Unity corrupted all my animations, and it's just gonna be a video just about how Unity corrupts animations if the file name is too long. So, wow, that's really, really terrible. Like, what the heck? Why does it even let you name the file that long if it's just going to corrupt it? Like, that's totally something that they could easily code against, basically. Like, there's just no reason for that. Let's see 1512. Okay, yeah, well, at least it's got a rig now. Okay, so let's actually play this other video just for a little bit more and see if I actually added any animations from 1505. I don't think that I did. Huh, interesting. Yeah, okay. I don't think I did. Yeah, it looks like I didn't. Let's go back to where we're. Okay, 1505. Play that. Okay. Still looking at that one. And let's see. Gotta watch if I actually did anything with this. Did I find anything in it that I wanted? Yeah, right. I don't think I used these because he's just like poking his face. Maybe I did. I don't know. 1505? No. Okay, cool. I didn't. So 1504 was the only one, I think. Now let me just go back and make sure of that. So let's pop back into Unity here, and I'm just gonna delete the imported 1505, and I'm gonna delete the other imported 1512 since we got the other ones back, and then let's see. Next, I need to. How am I going to figure out if anything else got deleted? I'm going to go into the the example directory, the resources directory. I can go. Let's see. It's the abilities. Yeah. Animation profiles. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, good. So that was basically that was it. Because if I look in the animation profile, there's only one missing animation clip, and this was the list of everything, every single thing we use in our animation profile. Good. So now, AnyRPG example star idle. And Combat Idle 2 was the one that I wanted. And then the only other place that that should be is actually in the animation controller itself. So let's go and find that animation controller. And if we look in the blend tree here, we have to replace that with combat idle 2, and then if we look at in combat idle, we also have to put it right here, and then I think it'll work. So let's just save everything. Whew, and let's try to let's see, I'm just going to delete this folder because there's nothing in it. And then let's try to load the game again and see if our character doesn't sink into the ground this time. Play, load game. Load game. Life tether. And combat idle, way better. Yeah, it's not a perfect animation, but at least he's not sinking into the ground. Okay, cool. Well, that took a long time to fix that whole corrupted animation thing, so I think this actually gets to be its own episode. If you like this kind of content and want to see more of it in the future, then don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the Cohesion YouTube channel, or just leave a message in the comments telling me what you want to see. I'll be back online very, very shortly to record what I actually meant to record right now, which was the animation cleanup, not troubleshooting Unity corrupting all my stuff. Okay, take care and see you next time.